Hello, it's Thursday. Yesterday you watched a TED Talk by Angela Duckworth talking about grit, right? And the power of passion and perseverance. Today, I was going to have you watch another TED Talk by Carol Dweck, this brilliant woman, but I thought that was a little much, 2 days in a row. So instead, I put on like a summary video where this guy very accurately summarized her TED Talk. All right, so it's a little shorter and it gives you the same gist, except Carol Dweck, is talking about this idea of growth mindset versus fixed mindset. Growth mindset is something that you may have heard of before, but if you haven't, you're going to learn about exactly what that is. So you'll watch that video, and then you're going to go into a Schoology discussion called Growth versus Fixed Mindset discussion. And I have a prompt in there that I want you really to think about and thoroughly answer. Above or right underneath the prompt, I included this graphic that's very informative. It's kind of like a visual for growth versus fixed mindset. That's very helpful. This would be like the equivalent of a notebook sheet that I would give you if you were in school. So please take some time to look through it. And I just want to define something for you. So it's a picture of these two heads, and on the left, it says fixed mindset, okay? And then underneath it says intelligence is static. Now, I'm confident that you could figure this out by yourself based on context. But if you can't, static means that it stays the same, okay? It does not change. I think we actually earlier in the year talked about dynamic versus static characters in literature. Dynamic characters are those like the protagonists who change over the course. Oh, we totally talked about this, The Outsiders. Dynamic means that they change over the course of the novel, and static means that they stay the same, okay? So a fixed mindset, it means that intelligence is static, it stays the same. And then on the right, you see another head that says growth mindset, and it says intelligence can be developed. See what I mean? You could have figured that out probably. And then it goes down and talks about like how a person with a fixed mindset would approach challenges and obstacles versus a person with a growth mindset. Okay, so you're going to use that graphic to thoroughly answer the prompt that I asked you. Last announcement. First Chapter Friday for tomorrow has been canceled due to personal reasons. I'm fine, but childcare, big issues over here. So we're not going to have our Friday meeting tomorrow. Instead, I would like you to use that time to read independently, and I will have you prove that you are doing that. I'll explain tomorrow what you'll do to do that. But that's why you're not getting an invitation for this week. So last reminder, your third check of knowledge is due tomorrow, so consider that homework. You will have to upload that into Schoology tomorrow. That is it. Have a great day.